Foam rollers are versatile fitness tools designed to aid in self-myofascial release and muscle recovery. Typically cylindrical and made of dense foam, these rollers offer a simple yet effective way to target and alleviate muscle tightness, knots, and adhesions. By applying body weight and controlled movements on the roller, users can release tension in various muscle groups, enhancing flexibility and reducing post-workout soreness. Foam rollers are commonly used in fitness centers, physical therapy clinics, and home settings. Their popularity is due to their ability to provide a deep tissue massage-like experience, improving blood circulation and promoting tissue repair. Athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and individuals seeking relief from muscular discomfort often incorporate foam rolling into their routines. Additionally, foam rollers come in different sizes and densities to accommodate various needs and preferences, catering to both beginners and experienced users. Whether used for pre-workout warm-ups or post-workout recovery, foam rollers have become a valuable tool for maintaining overall physical well-being. Hello! Come join my channel for an exciting exploration of foam rollers. Stay connected for detailed reviews of the best market options and uncover the world of rejuvenating eye care. The Gaiam brand has earned a notable 5th place in our rankings, making it an exceptional choice for foam rollers. This medium-density foam roller is perfect for muscle massage and recovery, offering effective warm-up before workouts and relieving post-workout muscle and joint pain, beneficial for athletes and physical therapy patients alike. The roller boasts a textured tread pattern, providing precise massaging and improved leverage, ensuring optimal control and stability during use. It's versatile, suitable for use over clothes or directly on the skin. With its 18-inch length, this muscle massager effectively targets and isolates smaller muscle groups in the back, arms, and legs, including quads and glutes, while also being suitable for full body work. The muscle roller proves invaluable in providing quick pain relief and facilitating total body recovery from exercising, arthritis, joint pain, and demanding workouts, making it an excellent companion during yoga sessions and physical therapy appointments. Its portability is a significant advantage, as it can easily accompany you to the gym, around the house, or to physical therapy sessions without taking up much space. The lightweight nature of this foam roller adds to its convenience for storage. Whether you're an athlete seeking muscle recovery or someone dealing with joint discomfort, the Gaiam foam roller proves to be a highly practical and efficient tool for achieving your fitness and recovery goals. Claiming the 4th position on our list, POWX offers an exceptional choice for individuals seeking effective foam rollers. With a focus on providing support and versatility, POWX's high-density foam roller caters to runners, lifters, yogis, and those recovering from injuries. The roller's portability makes it a convenient tool to enhance flexibility, mobility, and circulation either at home or in the gym, making it ideal for back exercises, hips, and more. POWX's foam roller goes beyond just massage, featuring teardrop ridges strategically placed to deliver a superior muscle release. These unique patterns effectively target knots and tension from various angles, ensuring a thorough and satisfying experience. Not limited to personal use, POWX recognizes the value of sharing wellness with loved ones, offering a workout and yoga foam roller suitable for legs, arms, and back, designed with ergonomic precision to melt away tension. Quality and durability are at the core of POWX's products, emphasizing the importance of providing premium essentials for every fitness journey. For both men and women, these medium foam rollers by POWX encourage users to push themselves to their maximum potential, supporting them throughout their fitness endeavors. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone in need of recovery and relaxation, POWX's foam roller stands as a reliable companion on your path to improved well-being. Securing the esteemed 3rd position on our prestigious list is the renowned brand, KIGASSENZIO, with its exceptional foam rollers product. The KIGASSENZIO vibrating foam roller boasts 4 vibration intensity settings and 1 frequency conversion speed setting, offering high penetrating muscle relief. With a vibration level ranging from 2000 to 3700 RPM, users can easily view the selected intensity level on the panel's indicator. Innovatively designed with wave grooves, this muscle roller provides added pressure to the body's muscles while ensuring superior traction control. The foam roller includes a delicate portable mesh backpack, allowing convenient storage of workout recovery equipment and adjusting to a comfortable massage area using adjustable Velcro. This electric foam roller stands out with its high-penetrating pulses, effectively reaching deep into muscle groups for easy warm-up and faster recovery. By combining pressure and vibration massage, it significantly improves muscle recovery and enhances performance. Not only favored by athletes and fitness enthusiasts, but the vibrating massage roller also earns trust among individuals suffering from muscle soreness after long workdays, providing high-performance physical therapy from the comfort of home. The original body roller has achieved an impressive second position on our prestigious list, gaining recognition for its outstanding foam rollers. These 3D textured rollers measure 12.5 by 5.5 inches and feature triple massage zones, meticulously designed to replicate the sensation of human fingers, thumbs, and palms. Incorporating this roller into your routine, whether before or after workouts at the gym, during Pilates or yoga sessions, proves highly beneficial. It conditions and stretches muscle tissue while effectively targeting and eliminating painful trigger points. The dual-grid design of the foam roller offers versatility, with one side featuring ridges resembling finger zones, and the opposite side adorned with spiked bumps. This combination caters to various needs, making it suitable for runners, post-workout recovery, and daily stretching routines. Constructed from heavy-duty EPP materials, the roller remains durable enough to withstand rigorous use by athletes, yet comfortable enough for beginners to enjoy. The original body roller provides two size options: a lightweight and portable 13-inch model and a 17 model, offering full body coverage. Users can indulge in physical therapy-grade massages, deep stretches, and acupressure relief within the privacy of their own homes. The benefits encompass accelerated recovery, effective muscle pain treatment, improved performance, enhanced flexibility, and increased mobility. Seizing the top position on our list, 321 Strong proudly showcases unparalleled excellence through its exceptional foam rollers. Designed to cater to beginners while maintaining effective penetration of tired muscles' soft tissue, these rollers are gentle enough to be used during painful episodes caused by lower back injury, sciatica, or plantar fasciitis. As one of the best recovery tools available, they prove highly effective in treating muscle pain, enhancing performance, and improving flexibility. Incorporating rolling into your routine before and after exercise becomes an essential part of a comprehensive stretching regimen. By increasing blood flow to the massage site, these rollers effectively flush away stored lactic acid, aiding in muscle recovery and reducing post-workout soreness. Whether during warm-ups or cooldowns, rolling overworked and strained muscles in the legs, arms, and feet brings instant benefits, particularly for the hamstring, IT band, glutes, and calves. The versatility of 321 Strong foam rollers is evident in their widespread popularity among runners, exercise athletes, yoga and Pilates students, swimmers, individuals undergoing physical or sports therapy, and those engaged in regular fitness workouts. Suitable for various areas of the body, they prove highly effective for the arch of the foot and any region of the upper body, excluding the spine and neck. Enjoy the comfort and convenience of superior massages at home or in the gym, experiencing the revitalizing effects these rollers provide. With a range of satisfied users, 321 Strong foam rollers have established themselves as a trusted and beloved tool, catering to the diverse needs of individuals seeking optimal muscle recovery and enhanced physical well-being. Your feedback on foam rollers is invaluable to us. Please share your thoughts in the comments to help us improve our services. Thank you for actively participating in our mission. We truly appreciate your input.